Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of Docker and explore a Docker file that builds an image for a Java application. Docker files are essential for defining the environment and setup of Docker containers, and understanding them is crucial for anyone working with Docker. In our previous video, we have seen there were different steps, different prerequisites that we need to take into account while building our application. So if we connect Dockerfile with that, so as per that, Dockerfile is a file where we define all the steps such as what will be the base machine, what all will be the configurations, which port needs to be exposed, and what command needs to be run in order to execute the application in all the machines or in any other machine. So if you can see, these are the steps that we define in the Docker file. We will cover these steps after a few minutes. So these steps are basically mentioned in the Docker file, which gets executed in the machine on the host, the person who wants to run our application. This Docker file creates a Docker image in host machine, and ultimately this Docker image will contain a Docker container in the host machine which will run the application. Let's start by breaking down each line of the Docker file. So the very first line from Alpine, this line specifies the base image for our Docker container. Here we are using Alpine Linux as our base machine, as Alpine is known for its lightweight nature, making it popular choice for Docker container. Second is run apk update add openjdk8 JRE. This line installs the openjdk8 runtime environment on top of our Alpine base image. It uses the apk package manager to install the necessary package which will be beneficial in in running our application, Java application. Next line is expose 8080. Here we are exposing port 8080, which is commonly used for web applications. This allows external access to the application running inside the container. env code directory slash user slash source slash app. This line sets an environment variable code dir to this path. Environment variables are basically useful for configuring containerized applications. So in my further steps, instead of using the specified path, I can use this environment variables. Next comes the copy command. This line copies the compiled Java application jar file from the host machine into the container. So this piece of the code starting from target till jar is the part to the jar file on the host machine, and the next piece of this segment is the destination path inside the container where we are giving the name to demo java project.jar as a app.jar. Next is the work directory command. This line sets the working directory inside the container to be code underscore dir that we specified with the environment variable. All, subsequent all subsequent commands will be executed relative to this directory. Finally, this line specifies the command to run when the container starts. In this case, it runs the Java application by executing the jar file using java-jar command. And there you have it. We have dissected each line of the Docker file and gained a better understanding of how it builds an image for a Java application. In simple terms, Docker files are powerful tools for creating reproducible and portable container environments, and mastering them is essential for efficient Docker usage. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Docker tutorials and tech content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.